name's Laura and welcome back to my channel. As you will see by the title, today is an unboxing day. It's the first box of June and it is for Look Fantastic. Okay, so as you can see, the boxes look fantastic and it's the first one that I've got out of my June beauty boxes. I will be getting Look Fantastic, Birchbox, Glossy Box, Try Beauty this month because we're in June and it's bi-monthly, and then finally Pretty Obsessed. So that is the kind of the way that things roll. So the first one that's arrived is Look Fantastic. It arrived today, which is the 7th of June, and I'm really excited. The box itself is super cool. Look at that. What a cool looking box. So it's got this cool design on it, and what I'm going to do is just give you a little bit of a bump about the box. I'll put it down below for you, but basically you pay your monthly fee. You have an option of whether you pay monthly, whether you pay, well, you can pay monthly, but how many months you tie yourself into will basically affect how much you pay monthly. So if you lock yourself into a rolling monthly contract, I think you pay £15 a month plus your postage and packaging. If you lock yourself into a 6-month, then you get a bit cheaper, and then if you lock yourself into a 12-month, you get it a little bit cheaper again. But the good thing about Look Fantastic is that you don't have to do a big one-off payment. You just go bump and you pay monthly, and it just adjusts it for you. It just means you're committed to the length of time that you've said. We'll put details down below for you, including a link to the website. And yeah, boring stuff done. What's in the box? Okie dokie, so let's see what we have here. It's a little lid. It always has kind of messages in the lid. This time it says, travel makes us all storytellers. This is cool. Then when you open it up, you get this inside. So as you see, we've got the information booklet here. This will give you your sneak peek for next month, which I can see on the back. It will also give you your information, your prices and so on, and it gives you some little tips and editors picks and stuff like that in there for what you have in your box. So the thing that you will always get as well will be an Elle magazine. It's always the kind of pocket size one, designed to fit perfectly in the box. And this will have a retail value of £4.50. Once you've taken out all of that, you will see, I love the colour. This is this beautiful yellow, lemon yellow. And this is the box itself. Okay, so we open that up and we see what's inside. Dum dum dum. This. Okay, so what I'm going to do before I start looking in the box is have a look at the sneak peek for the month of July. And it is an Elemis Hydra Balance Day Cream. It's for the value of £19. Formulated to provide continuous hydration, this day cream will leave the complexion soft and supple. Enriched with meadowsweet extract and hyaluronic acid, this day cream soothes and comforts the skin, leaving it nourished. So that's the product just there, as you can see. Now, I do like Elemis as a brand, so I'm excited about that. I do have a lot of I did go for a phase of getting a few of the QVC bundles that they had available and getting the night cream, the day cream, you know, the cleansing balm, and they are beautiful products. I'm just really rubbish at maintaining that daily routine. But as a brand, it's beautiful. Okay, so let's have a little look. The Look Fantastic Beauty Box has an incredibly diverse and global community, a community that we wanted to celebrate with our Around the World edition. Whether you're planning to journey into the unknown or wish to celebrate the region that you call home, we're celebrating this diversity and scope of beauty in this month's box. We're introducing you to some of the world's best beauty products and allowing you to discover something that you may not have tried before. Our monthly magazine is exploring the expansive world of beauty, from sharing where our subscribers are based to a new global beauty trend. In this issue, we're helping you to prepare for any trips away with our travel bag packing list. And if you're still undecided on a holiday destination, we've compiled a selection of our ultimate spa destinations. So it's pretty cool. It gives you just like a little bit of fun, gives you a theme, it just lets you know what's happening. Okay, so the first item that I'm going to pull out is this bar of soap. Okay, and this is Core's Pure Greek Olive Traditional Soap Olive Blossom. So you can see that just there. It's full size. Let's see what we say in here. Okay, Cause natural pure Greek soap, chamomile and pomegranate, or olive and olive blossom. So obviously I've got the olive and olive blossom one. This has a value of £5. Now one thing I just want to note as well is that Look Fantastic have just started adding in prices, because before they didn't. They just told you the product and they told you the size and the information, but it didn't give you the value, and you just have to kind of source it yourself. So this is really good that they've improved that. It just basically says, enjoy a refreshing cleanse with this traditional Greek soap bar inspired by historic beauty rituals. Formulated with natural ingredients, elevate your daily cleansing routine with this multi-use soap. How to use it. Editor's tip is it's suitable for all skin types. These soaps are 98% natural. And which did I receive? Well, I got the olive one. So that's pretty cool. You know, it's a soap. I'm not really very good with soap. I find soap a little bit too drying for my skin. I will try it. But, you know, I have a family of 2 kids and a husband. I'm sure it will get used. So, let's see the second item. It is this Filorga Laboratories Filorga Lift Structure Ultra Lifting Cream. So you can see that there. It's a small sample. See if it tells me what this is. Okay. It says it's worth £9.10. Now, what it doesn't tell me is whether that's for a full size or for a sample. I can't imagine that that's worth £9.10. That's clearly a sample size. It just says formulated with active ingredients to deliver visible effects. Collagen and hyaluronic acid work together to visibly reduce signs of aging. Created by a leading French dermatology clinic, Filorga is focused on creating skincare solutions directly inspired by non-surgical anti-aging procedures. Expect visibly tighter and plumper skin with restored firmness in just 7 days. So I hope there's enough there for you to do 7 days worth. I would imagine there is. It just says how to use it. Apply morning and evening. Massage it into your face and décolletage. Editor's tip is to integrate as part of a daily facial massage. Routine to reduce puffiness or inflamed skin. Okay, well, you know, fine. I guess it's going on that travel size. I say that because the next product I've just picked up is this one here. Surf Spray, Salt Spray, Bumble and Bumble. Hi, okay, so this is editing Laura here. So I've had to come in and just put this little section in. I'm currently obviously editing the video to upload it. And I'm just trying to find out the information on the products as I sort of go through them. And I have discovered that actually Bumble and Bumble is now available in the UK. In fact, it has its own UK website, which is bumbleandbumble.co.uk. It does say you can get 10% off when you sign up and you get free standard delivery. It has all the products on there. It's all in the UK prices. Now, I do know that when I've looked for this product previously, probably a couple of years ago now, I probably watched a few YouTube videos where people are doing hairstyles and they're using the products. They were American. I remember searching for it at the time and I remember it not being available in the UK. Obviously, it's changed since then. It is available. It has its own website. So yeah, check out the website, see what you think. But sorry, I thought rather than trying to put all this into a little bit of written information in the video, it's easier just to come in and tell you. So yeah, just scrap what that Laura says because she knows nothing. Oh, I've heard of Bumble and Bumble. It's an American brand from my understanding, and it's very difficult and very expensive to get in the UK. So Bumble and Bumble Surf Spray or Go Big Spray, which is worth £2.40. Now, I do think that may be this price because I do know that Bumble and Bumble is a very expensive hair product. So £2.40 for that, I would imagine, is right. Which maybe that does make that right. Bumble and Bumble Surf Spray or Go Big Spray. So I've obviously got the Surf Spray. Give your hair perfectly tousled, I can never say it, tousled, beachy look with Colt Spray from Bumble and Bumble. Applied to wet or dry hair, this Surf Spray adds body and texture to fine hair, which is cool because my hair is super fine. Boost limp hair with the thickening Go Bigs treatment, improving strength and texture. This conditioning treatment helps create a soft, healthy and volumized head of hair. So both of those would have been quite cool actually. The Surf Spray, the tip, how to use is lightly spritz into damp hair, allowing hair to air dry for a beachy finish. The editor's tip is to use the Salt Spray on day 2 hair for added texture. If you have plenty of volume in the roots, focus the thickening spray on the ends of your hair for a perfectly full blow dry. So this is cool because my hair is very fine, and I do find it suits me a bit better when it's a bit more textured up. So I'm happy I've got the salt spray. As I said, Bumble and Bumble as a brand is one that's hard to find in the UK, and it is a pricey one, but it does come highly recommended. Okay, next we have, what have we got? Okay, so we have this peeling mask. No panic, if skin turns red, it works. That makes me panic. Add moisturizer after. But I do have that moisturizing mask from last month's box. Glossy box or Birch box. And it was the Balance Me after mask vitamin thing, which I've used and is very cool. If you hear a grunty noise, that's Maggie. Here's Maggie. She wants to help. Hi, Mags. Just being super noisy today, aren't you, baby girl? She's got a bad head, so please excuse that. She's had a bit of a bad time, haven't you, beautiful? Yes, you have. Yes. She's hungry. It's tea time. They want to be fed. She's hounding me. Nice. Very nice. Okay, off you go. You gonna go down? No? Can I put you down? Go on in. Bye-bye. Okay, so the peeling mask that we have here. Let's have a look, see if we can find out about you. Here we are. This is worth £11.10. It's from E-Cooking Peeling Mask. Maintain skin's youthful appearance with this peeling mask from Danish skincare brand E-Cooking, utilising AHAs, including lactic, salicylic and glycolic acid. This mask buffs away dead skin cells to reveal a radiant and glowing complexion. 100% vegan, this mask delivers results in under 10 minutes. Apply for 4 to 6 minutes depending on your skin tolerance, and use weekly. Due to the concentration of the AHAs, this mask should tingle upon application. This means it's working. We suggest using this in the evening for best results. Again, that scares me a little bit because I have super sensitive skin. My skin can just go pump, can break out. I get very red. I'm permanently red if I don't put foundation on. So I worry about things that tell me not to worry about going red, but we'll try it and we'll see what happens. Okay, so the next item that I've got is this SVR Topiales Palpebrale Irritated Eyelids Anti-Itching Soothing Cream. So I'm just going to let you see this so that you can see exactly what this is about. Come on. There you go. Different. Okay, so this has a value of £15 and it says calm and soothe sensitive and itchy eyes with this gentle treatment for dry and easily irritated skin. With clinically proven effectiveness, this French eye cream delivers 24-hour hydration, immediately relieving any discomfort. Created to soothe, reduce redness and irritation, moisturise the delicate eye area and protect against external aggressors, this eye cream addresses a wide range of concerns. How to use is to apply morning and evening to the eyelids and eye contour. And then its tip is, eye cream is a skincare essential. Even when you don't think you need it, we'd suggest keeping this in the fridge to help relieve puffiness upon application. See, I get worried with all of these, you know, puffiness upon. So basically it's going to make my eyelids puff. I don't know, it worries me a tiny bit. Eyelids, so you put it on your eyelids. I do get irritated eyes. I get very sensitive eyes. Again, I'm just a sensitive person. And I do get, my eyes get easily irritated. There are certain brands of makeup that just irritate me, make my eyes sort of water. You know, I am that person. So I'd be interested in giving it a try, but I worry that this will irritate me as much as whatever's irritated me. But, you know, okay, it's cool, it's different. Okay, so I think this is the last item, and it's this little teeny tiny Bio Effect EGF serum. It's in this teeny tiny pot here. It's little tiny, teeny tiny. Sorry about the state of my nails. I shall be getting them done over the weekend. It's been too busy. This is BioEffect EGF serum. Is worth £25. Now again, I don't know if that's worth £25 or if it means it's full size, but do you know, going by the prices so far, I think that is an accurate price. I mean, something like this, I guess, if you get, for example, the cream for this, if we go by the Avant cream, which is £85 for a standard size, I guess to have that size would make sense for it to be £10. So I guess same for the serum. If the whole pot is an expensive serum, then I guess to have a small sample like that would be worth that value. I don't know. Give skin a new lease of life with a serum from groundbreaking Icelandic brand BioEffect, using a plant-based replica of EGF, a natural occurring human protein. This serum acts as an anti-aging treatment by reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, whilst boosting radiance. Quick absorbing, this serum deeply moisturizes and rehydrates. It's 100% vegan, and this mask delivers results in under 10 minutes. Is it a mask or a serum? How to use. Smooth 2 to 4 drops over the clean and dry skin on the face and neck, patting gently until fully absorbed. So, editor's tip, a small amount goes a long way with this powerful serum. We suggest using a pea-sized amount for the best results. Okay, so I just quickly looked this product up online and I can see full price for 15 mils. Now I don't know how much we've got here, but for 15 mils of this, it's £125. £125, wow. So that would be £25 worth, I'm sure. Okay, so let's have a quick look and recap at what's in this box. So we've got this full-size soap. We've got, I assume this is full size, I'm not sure, mask. We've got the eyelid and eye contour kind of cream here for sensitive eyes. I've taken it out of the box. We've got the Bumble and Bumble sample, the little serum here, and then the lifting kind of cream here. So, oh, and of course the magazine as well. So what do you think of this month's box? For me, I'm a bit about it. I like a box to have a bit of a mixture, a little bit of, you know, I quite like it if it's got like a makeup product in it, a beauty product in it, a skincare product in it, maybe a hair care product. You know, there are some elements I'm happy with. I like the little Bumble and Bumble spray. I do like that. You know, soap. I'm interested in the serum, but I'll be honest with you, even if it's the best product in the world, I am not going to pay £125 for it. For me personally, I can't justify that. So to me, yes, that's very cool. It's a cool little sample. And yeah, it's a high price sample, but it's not something I think I'm ever gonna, you know, even if I fall in love with it, I'm not gonna go out and spend 120. I can't justify that to myself on a skincare product, especially when there are other alternatives out there. And again, likewise with this sort of lifting cream here. It's an okay box for me. Like I said, I like mine to be a bit more varied in the products in it, not all just specifically skincare. I get they're going for the travel kind of theme, and I do travel, and I will probably put those in my travel bag. But I think if you're only using it sort of a little bit randomly, like me, because I don't have like a routine as to how often I stay away, then I'm not going to get the full benefits of those products. But you know, it's not too bad. It's just not my favorite. It's the first box of June, so let's see what else we get throughout this month. Yeah, let me know what you think of the box. Do you think it was a good box? Is it your kind of box? Yeah, so I hope you like this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Please click subscribe. I would be very, very grateful. And as always, please have a great day.